Hey there, Erica Silva bringing another marketing tip. Question: what's the difference between marketing and sales? Marketing is showing people that you are an option. Of all the realtors out there, of all the health and wellness coaches out there, of all the bookkeepers, of all the accountants, of all the attorneys out there, marketing is letting people know, hey, I'm an option. Good marketing is letting people know not only that you are an option, but you are the option. You're branding yourself, you're positioning yourself as the expert, as the person that has the most credibility in your particular field. Once the prospect sees that not only are you an option, but the option, they're going to call you or they're going to contact you in some form or fashion. And immediately that's when sales begins. Sales is a whole nother animal, and it's pretty interesting, the psychology behind it and how important word choice is with when sales process begins. Marketing and sales, they absolutely go hand in hand. One without the other would be completely useless, but it's super important to conquer both of them so that you are making money. If you have any questions about what marketing looks like for your business, I'd love to talk to you about that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.